Congruency example for C. Now the question wants us to show that the line BD bisects angle ADC. What does this word means? So it means that if I were to draw a line BD, okay, and this line will cut angle ADC into two equal portions. So from my diagram, if you notice, if I will draw the line BD and then I have the angle ADC, actually I can form two triangles. One over here and another one over here. So if this is the case, if I want to show that these two angles are equal, what I need to do is I need to find information to show the triangle ABD and the triangle CBD are congruent. How can I go about doing so? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to target triangle ABD, and to match it with, A will match with the point C, B with the point B, and D with the point D. So some things to start off with. Firstly, they want us to show that the angles are the same. So I cannot say that this angle is same yet until I get to prove it. So let me draw back my triangle. Okay, so I'm not going to have any angles yet, but what are the information that I have? First one, I know that this line BD itself is a common line. So definitely I will have a length. So I know that BD is common, so I already have one side. Okay, and I know from just now that I have a couple of congruent triangles. Okay, so and I already show that BC over here, this length, BC, and this length over here, BA, are actually equal. So I can have one more side. Oops. Okay, or I can also use part B. I know that in triangle part B, ADF and CDE are actually congruent. So maybe I can have angles or another side maybe. So I know that AD itself, AD is equals to CD over here. So I can have another third side. So in this case, I'm going to use the Sss property. So let's begin. I already have my matching points ABD and CBD. If I can show that these two triangles are congruent, that means angle over here will be equals to this angle over here. And if they are equal, then BD bisects angle ADC. So let's start off with the congruent triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle CBD, let's start with our first side. Our first side is the common side. BD is equals to BD. Of course lah, because it's common. Side. I can have another length and measurement. This one over here. AB. Okay, AB should be equals to BC. Why is that so? I already proved it in my previous triangle in part A. AB and BC and CB are actually equal. So I know that length is equal. AB is equals to CB. This is shown in part A. Then let's look at our third side. Third side, just now we mentioned we can have AD to match with CD. So AD over here, match with CD over here. This is shown in part B. As a result, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD by the Sss property. Okay, but this one we cannot stop down here. We have to continue with our answer to get to the main aim that BD bisects angle ADC. So since I have that they are congruent triangle, I know that this angle over here and this angle over here, this is angle ADB, is exactly equals to angle CDB because it's congruent. So therefore, since they are equal, therefore BD bisects angle ADC. That's all.